of birds on here. Okay. Everybody look out here. We're going to talk about our birds. Okay. Let's see. This is a hummingbird. What kind of beak does this hummingbird have?
Pointed.
So what do you think it could eat?
Worms.
Worms?
No, it eats honey.
Let's see what it eats.
Yeah, like the honey water.
Flower, nectar,
Honey water.
small insects, and tree sap.
You can also
It says the hummingbird size is about 4 inches long. How big do you think its beak is?
About what?
3
It's probably, but you can see that it's kind of long, right?
Yeah.
Oops.
I was thinking about like.
It's long, but it's probably just about, I would say about 1.5 inches long.
25 kilometers.
Yeah.
Millimeters.
Oh, I like
What
that.
is this? It's the same. That's another picture. See, you can see its beak, how it's long and pointy, but it's not too long. The bird's pretty small. Have you ever seen a hummingbird?
Yes.
This kind of hummingbird, it says, lives on the west coast of North America from southern Canada to northern Baja, California, and Mexico.
How does it like stay up like that without like moving?
They kind of hover. You know, the birds kind of, you know, when you see a hummingbird, it like, when they're flying and their wings aren't flapping, it kind of just looks like they're, I guess their wings just go.
Yeah, it looks like a fan and how it's
Let's see what other birds we got here. Let's see if we can find.
Toucan.
You see one you want to, ooh, let's look at this. An emu.
Oh, that's on Ant Farm. Yeah.
How big are these things?
That just sounds funny. Oh my gosh. Do you know what it is?
Oh my gosh, look how big these things are. 5 to 6 feet tall.
Oh my goodness, that's smaller than me.
Smaller than an emu.
Isn't that in the Outback?
What is it?
Aren't those in the Outback?
Let's see where they are.
Yeah,
Australia. So
Australia.
you're right. Those might be as tall as me or taller than me.
My
Maybe
dad
even
is
as tall as Mr. B.
My dad is 6 foot. How tall are you?
What?
6'1".
You're 6'1".
How tall was that?
Can you imagine a bird like that as big as Mr. B?
It can get.
Big
If
bird.
you fall, how would you get up? Mr. B, you can track so many.
I love owls. We're going to talk about owls.
I see your necklace now.
From the Arctic to South America, they have a wingspan of 52 to 55 inches. That's pretty big.
It's trying to
Oh.
What the emu?
Look at the peacock.
Peacock.
Peacock?
Yeah.
Oh
I like peacocks too.
Look at this.
India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia, Central Africa, forests and rainforests, 27 to 51 inches long depending on the species.
Oh my goodness.
Look how pretty.
Oh my gosh. That's actually a dog. Oh, that's actually a dog. I saw a toucan. It looks like a turkey. It's right there. See it? Samantha, that's just the thing to show that it's a toucan.
But it's just showing them birds. I'm sure there's one on here. Let's find it. There's a parrot. There it is. Let's talk about the toucan. You might be able to, I'll give you this link and you might be able to use it for your...
Give me that link.
Is anybody else doing bird? Any kind of bird? But look up here. Listen, this has got all kinds of animals. So I'll give you guys a link and you can use it for your project.
Settle down.
Let's read about the toucan. Central America and South America. Wait, what can you already tell me about the toucan?
It lives in Central, South America.
What else have you learned about it?
And it eats fruit.
It's fruits.
And it has a long beak for its adaptation.
Okay, that's a good one.
And
It says it eats fruit, so that was right. Insects, other birds' eggs. Oh my.
I went on an answer by accident, but I didn't know it was that one.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to do it.
Okay.
And it said it eats
fish, so it eats a lot of stuff. What Disney movie has a toucan in it? Listen, up here.
Oh, I know.
What Disney movie? You go ahead, since you're the toucan girl.
Okay.
Okay.
I think it's on, like, wait, it's on the Lion King.
Lion King. Another movie? Is there another one? Another one? Go ahead.
Rio.
Rio?
Good.
There's a bunch of them.
Is there another movie, or do you just have something to say about
I have another movie.
toucans? What movie?
It's Lion King 2.
Lion King 2.
What about the, wait, what was it?
Oh, look at that. That was funny.
I don't like that one. I like color. Yeah, that. I have another movie. It looks like it has nail polish on it.
What kind of,
Oh.
this isn't very educational, but what kind of cereal has a toucan on it? Go ahead. Fruit Loops.
Good.
I love Fruit Loops. I know another movie that has a toucan on it.
Oh, isn't
I
it
didn't
that
tell
like
you
the
that.
whole character of it?
What about
There's like
Aladdin?
3 or
Okay, let's look at one more bird, and then I'll give you guys this link so you guys can look at it later. Flamingo.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Okay, we'll do the flamingo and the parrot. Then
They have one leg. They look
Can we
orange.
watch the video?
let's see what they're doing.
Don't they only have like one leg?
Yeah, they sleep on one leg. But they have 2 legs.
They sleep standing up.
Oh my gosh. I like this music. They sleep on one leg.
Everyone knows what a flamingo looks like. But did you know that the way they eat makes them different from all other birds? Flamingos
Oh.
live in lagoons or
Could
large
that be an
shallow
adaptation?
Yeah.
lakes. A Caribbean flamingo's long legs allow the bird to wade deeper into water than most
Well, look at how.
and looking for red
I like it
small
cool.
fish, blue-green algae, red algae, and brine shrimp. Most of this food is found at the bottom of the lagoon. The flamingo stamps its webbed feet in the mud to stir it all up. A flamingo also sweeps its head from side to side, skimming the water's surface with its very special mouth called a
How
bill.
skinny are
The bird sucks up water and mud in the front of its bill and pumps it out again at the side where the filters are, trapping shrimp, algae, and other small water creatures for the flamingo to eat. Basically, flamingos eat their food upside down. Oh, who is that? Have you heard the expression, you are what you eat? Well, the flamingo's bright color comes from the food it eats. Foods have colors called pigments that are passed
Did
on
you
to
know
the
that?
animal that eats them.
I didn't know that either.
Flamingos eat, such as algae and small crustaceans, have orange and red carotenoid pigments. These are the pigments that turn the flamingo's feathers pinkish orange. We eat
That's
carotenoid
interesting.
pigments whenever we munch on carrots and beets, but not enough to turn them
I'm glad we
pinkish
don't turn.
orange.
Yeah.
Flamingo beets eat a special pellet diet that is made from these flamingos. This diet has all the nutrients the bird needs, as well as the pigment that helps keep them in the pink. When a flamingo chick hatches,
Aww.
mom and dad take turns feeding their chick. When a chick is hungry, it begs for food using special milk liquids. It stimulates the parent's body to make a special milk called crop milk. The crop milk is very nutritious and is even red. Eventually, the chick's feathers turn pinkish orange just like its parents, thanks to the carotenoids in the crop milk. I hope all this talk about food has made you hungry to learn more about flamingos.
This made me lose my appetite. Okay, why do you think it makes me hungry? Now we're gonna look.
The parrot, and then that'll be it, okay?
No. Mockingbird if there's it. What's that one? Eagle circle.
It says that they are about 32 inches long, including their tail feathers. They eat fruits and nuts and seeds, flowers, leaves, stems of plants, insects, and snails.
Awesome!
Chicks have no feathers and closed eyes when they hatch. They spelled eyes wrong.
Where's the eyes? They spell like E-Y-S.
They forgot the E. Ooh, I like that one. You can see all the different colors. And
It's a typo.
look at that beak. What's that beak look like? Does it kind of have a scoop?
Shovel
It looks
is.
like a crystal. It looks like an
Ooh, look at that one. Okay, did you guys like that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's all. That's all I got for you.
Does it say anything about how big the talk?
I will write it down for you guys so Mr. D can give it to you.